Celebrating Yamaha's long history of MotoGP and Grand Prix championships is the 2018 Yamaha NVX 155 GP edition. The NVX 155 is a sporty take on the Yamaha NVX 155 scooter. It has 155cc engine producing 14.8 horsepower at 8,000 revolution per minute and 14.4 Nm of torque at 6,000 revolution per minute. The liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, SOHC mill comes with variable valve actuation and power is transmitted via CVT gearbox. Equipped with front anti-brake system as standard, the NVX 155 features an LCD instrument panel in the cockpit and also has keyless start. Found under the seat is a 25-liter storage compartment, along with a USB charging port for the rider's electronics. Other advantages include remote opening for the fuel door and seat. Suspension is with telescopic fork in front and twin preload adjustable shock absorbers in the rear. Running on a 14-inch wheels, the 2018 Yamaha NVX 155 GP edition does braking with a single hydraulic disc in front and drum at the rear.